Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. And in today's video we are going to continue with the comprehension passage that we were doing in the last class, and we are going to do the exercises of that particular comprehension passage, and after that we'll try to do the interrogation part, in which we are going to learn how to create questions in French. There are three ways to construct the questions, and we'll see the rules. And before that we should start the class, I would say congratulations to all those who got a good score in their French online assessment, and I would say bravo for that, because without a teacher, depending on the videos only, and you hardly get time to get your doubts clear sometimes, and sometimes you are busy with your classes, with your you can say revision tests and all. And we got one doubt class, no doubt, but it's sometimes it's difficult to do without a teacher, but you did it, and I would say bravo for that. So let's start the class. So it is on page number 38. We left here. We need to start with the third dialogue. Marie is saying, quels sont les monuments ici? What are or which are the monuments here? You must be knowing that they are talking about the Lyon city, which is in France, and they are talking about the different characteristics. What are the famous things of that particular city, right? So, il y a la cathédrale. Quels sont les monuments ici? What are the monuments here? Il y a la cathédrale Sainte-Jeanne. There is the cathedral of Saint Jean. Cathedral, you must be knowing, I told you in chapter 0, the biggest church of the city. Cathedral is the biggest church of the city, right? So, what is the name? Saint Jean. It's a sort of church. Il y a l'église Saint Bonaventure. There is the church of Bonaventure. Name of the church is Bonaventure. And qui est une église, there is, which is a church gothique du 14e siècle. It's a Gothic church of 14th century. Gothic. What mean by Gothic? Gothic is it's a language, you can say, of Goth people. Goth people belongs to some area. There's a particular area of Germany, right? So in other words, you can say it's a German people's church. They established it, right? So it's quite old church. La Basilique de Fourvière. La Basilique de Fourvière is also name of a church. Then le Théâtre de Guillaume. The Théâtre de Guillaume. It's the Guillaume Theatre. Guillaume is a very well-known playwright. So it's a renowned theatre, you can say. Sont aussi des lieux célèbres à Lyon. Are also some famous places in Lyon, right? So there are some churches, there are some theatres. They are talking about the particular names of those churches and theatres. Quels sont les plus anciens musées ici? Which are the oldest churches here in the city? So they are talking about the museums. Quels sont les plus anciens musées d'ici? What are the oldest museums here? So she is saying, now Sophie is explaining. Le musée africain de Lyon, l'une des plus anciennes de la ville. So the African Museum of Lyon is one of the oldest museum here, right? So next, what she is explaining, est-ce que tu sais que Lyon est célèbre? Do you know that Lyon is famous for pour son for its industrie de la soie. Industrie de la soie means the industry of silk or traditional silk. Traditional. Soie traditionnelle is, do you know that it's a place of the production of traditional silk here. We have some industries, some factories. There they produce the traditional silk. Right? Ici, nous avons here, we have, you can see what they have here. Beaucoup d'industries de la soie, lot of industries of silk et de textile de haute qualité, and the textile of high quality clothes or textile they make aussi or they produce. Aussi les Lyonnais sont sympathiques et chaleureux, and also the people of Lyon, they are sympathetic and warm, they are very gentle. So c'est une bonne expérience. This is a very good experience. C'est vrai, it's true. Je veux voir ce ville. Is it true? I want to see this city. Right? Now she has told everything. Sophie has told everything about the whole city, and Marie is mesmerized with that experience, and she wants to visit this place. Right? So répondez aux questions suivantes. Respond to the questions next. Nommez l'église à Lyon. Name the churches in Lyon. Here you can see the different names of the churches. So I am writing it if you are confused. So question 1A part. Number 1. La cathédrale Saint-Jean. I'm just writing the name Saint-Jean. Okay. Number 2 is Saint Bonaventure. Saint Bonaventure. Right? You can cross check the spellings from your book. I hope everybody is having book now. Then you can say La Basilique de Fourvière. Right? Basilique de Fourvière. These are 3 famous churches there in Lyon. Now, what is the next question? You can see here. Combien de musées et de théâtres y a-t-il à Lyon? How many museums and theatres are there in Lyon? More than 40 museums and theatres. You can see here on page 36. Il y a plus de 40 musées et théâtres. Right? So we can write il y a, B part, il y a plus de, more than 14 musées et théâtres à Lyon, in Lyon. Right? Now, next question. Next question is, donnez les contraires. Give the opposite. Haute means high, then basse is low. Right? So, what is the right answer? Basse. So, I hope you have written everything. that is A part, third question. Sorry, question number 2. It is 2 only. It's bus. Right? B part is sympathic. Sympathic. What would be the opposite? Antipathic. Sympathetic. Antipathic. Anti, which we call cruel. Antipathic. Sympathetic is kind. Then we have, you can see, right? And then C part, ancien. Ancien means old. Then modern is new. So what is the opposite? Modern. Right? Modern. So that's all for today. I'm not going to start the new topic because we are left with 1 more minute or 2 more minutes. So we are going to do the interrogation or how to form questions in the next class. Till then you have to revise whatever we have done, and beforehand you can read this topic so that you should get more clarity about this topic. And if you have not done the previous chapters, those who could not attempt the French online test also, they have to go through all the videos, do all the chapters once again, so that you should understand what we are doing and what we have done till yet, right? So till then, wait for the next video. Let's meet in the next class with a new topic. So stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.